This video is for the SEDONA ELITE series models 2018 and beyond. This video will feature how to align a drum if it comes out of alignment. It will also feature how to balance a drum in the rare case that it may come out of balance and be uneven against the front plate. Here you're seeing the tools that are needed. Next, we're going to look at how you will align the drum by using the front handle. Here you loosen the 3 set screws, allowing you to turn the handle either clockwise or counterclockwise to move the drum either closer to the front plate or away from the front plate. This is especially helpful if your roaster begins making a rubbing sound due to the heat expansion. When your roaster's heated up, it means that your drum is out of alignment and you need to simply pull it away from the front plate somewhat. Also, if you notice excessive debris in the chaff or in the debris tray, or if it gets really bad and beans start falling into the burner room, this means that your drum has separated quite a distance from the front plate and needs adjusted. The rest of what you're going to see now is how you will how you will balance a drum in the rare event that it becomes unbalanced and one end of it is slightly tilted toward the front plate, causing a rubbing sound, especially when heated. And what you're seeing here is how you measure this using the metric feeler gauge. Measure, if you can, all 4 sides, which you may need to remove the drum door and may need to remove the neck of the roaster to measure to see which side is leaning closer to the drum. So here we see that happening now. Next, you need to loosen the bolts on the back bearing, lift off the belt protective cover, loosen those 4 bolts, and then using a heavy-duty flathead screwdriver, you're going to maneuver the 4 points between the bearing that helps to balance the drum against the front plate. You want that to be an even space.